Why AMP token will hit $1 soon, AMP token price prediction 2021, and AMP analysis. AMP is the new decentralized collateral token in the market based on the Ethereum blockchain that aids in instant transactions with digital assets. This video will take you through the analysis of the token and its future price prediction. Will this coin hit $1? Before moving forward, if you love getting the big news on the latest crypto trends, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and hit that bell icon for future updates. What is AMP? AMP is a digital collateral token designed to facilitate fast and efficient value transfer, especially for use cases that prioritize security and irreversibility. As collateral, AMP ensures the value of any transfer while it remains unconfirmed, a process that can take anywhere from hours to days. AMP tokens used as collateral are generally released when consensus for a particular transfer is achieved, making them available to collateralize another transfer. If consensus is not achieved for the transfer, the AMP collateral can instead be liquidated to cover losses. Flexer Network is the most fraud-proof payments network in the world. It's completely regulated and used solely for digital transactions. What makes AMP unique? AMP facilitates instant, verifiable assurances for any pending or future value transfer, so that any actions dependent on the transfer can proceed without delay. By using AMP as collateral, individuals and entities benefit from the security and efficiency of collateral which is transparently attestable on an immutable ledger. AMP is also asset agnostic. AMP's feature set is universally compatible with any form of value transfer, digital or physical, and can therefore be used to facilitate instant, irreversible transactions for any kind of asset. To organize the process of staking collateral on the chain, AMP employs the concept of collateral partitions. For each entity, process, application, or transaction being collateralized, AMP designates a partition that can be accessed or managed by any number of operator addresses, enabling fine-grained control and extensibility over a virtually unlimited set of use cases. What is the project behind the coin? AMP is an ERC-20 compliant token built on Ethereum. The AMP smart contracts have been released as an open source standard under the MIT license. AMP and its related smart contracts were audited by both Consensus Diligence, June 2020, and Trail of Bits in August 2020. AMP collateralization is tested, audited, and freely available for anyone to use. It's easy to build apps that lock and unlock AMP on demand to secure transfers, enable lending, and make value move more quickly. AMP was designed to be as flexible and future-proof as possible. AMP's open source license makes it possible to create and deploy custom collateral managers for your app to interface with AMP on your own terms. Latest news about AMP. AMP has been recently listed on Coinbase and has seen a surge in its price since then. This year it has been one of the top performing crypto assets. While the rest of the cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are on the decline since the last couple of months, AMP has seen a meteoric rise of 320%. This has pushed its value close to the top 20 cryptocurrencies. AMP is providing collateral for instant and fraud-proof transactions with the help of 25 different digital assets, including Coinbase, Gemini, Bittrex, Sushi, and Uniswap. AMP has recently got major adoption by many big digital companies, and many are now using it consistently for sharing their digital assets and contracts in a more secure and faster way. Now, let's get to the most interesting part of the video. Current price and price prediction of the AMP token. At the moment, AMP is trading at around 0.057362 cents, but many analysts believe it can hit 30 cents easily by the end of the year, which is around 5 times more its current value. The AMP token seems to get positive reviews from the investors. Its trading volume got a major boost after its listing on Coinbase, and that has resulted in high demand for the coin. Due to this, its prices rose in weeks after. When will the AMP coin hit $1? Many investors within the AMP token community are convinced it may hit the $1 mark sooner rather than later. The Reddit community believes it may well be crossing the mark of $1 in 2021 itself. If the trend continues, you can expect AMP crypto to become a real investment opportunity. Every day, new crypto begins to take over news headlines. More recently, the AMP token is front and center. Therefore, you may want to keep a close watch on this collateral token going forward. But what about you? What's your price prediction for this coin? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crypto videos like this one. That's all for now, guys. See you in the next video.